All right, so we walked all the way down to that pier down there, right, Grace?
Yep.
And back.
Uh-huh.
And what kind of trash do we find the most of here at Quitana Beach?
We found a lot of bottle caps, but I feel like the most thing that we found was just random plastic pieces.
Yeah, just pieces of containers and things like that, right?
Yeah.
Just little bits of plastic.
Weirdest thing that we found, well, by far, we found two toothbrushes. Why are there toothbrushes on the beach? I have no clue.
Yep, a pair of toothbrushes, and then we found a baby pin, something a person would use like to pin a diaper or something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, certainly things we didn't think we'd find.
Also, there are a lot of crabs here, which I love.
Yeah, there's crabs running all over the place. Small crabs, but still. Notice too, the sand here, different from other beaches, isn't it? The sand here at Quitana, at least right now anyway, it's really tightly packed, isn't it? It's almost like walking on a sidewalk. There's not a lot of soft sand. Unless you get away from the water, like over there, you can see a little bit softer over there. But otherwise, yeah, so. The other thing we found, remember in the past we've always gone to Galveston's beaches, right?
Yeah.
And
we decided to do this one because we decided they could use a bit of love as well.
Yep. And what did we find more at Galveston's beach? Do you remember?
We found a lot of cigarette butts.
Cigarette butts, yeah, that was the main thing.
Was everywhere.
Cigarette butts are all over the place, but here, not many cigarette butts at all. Here it's mostly,
Like 4 or 5.
yeah, here was mostly bottle caps and just bits of plastic.
Yeah.
Bits of plastic off of various containers. Oh, a lot of food wrappers too,
Yes,
where people would unwrap their candy or whatever and throw the trash on the beach.
There was a lot of really big pieces of trash. Like there was one where it was actually inside of like a cliffside, and it was just like I inked at it, and it was just a full-on like plastic bag just sitting there.
Yeah, it was buried pretty well, right?
Also,
We just saw the edge of it, and then we pulled it out. And it's like, oh, this is a big bag.
Yeah, another one inside the ground. I'm very sad to see these kind of things. Inside the ground, I just yanked it out. It was a net, and I especially hate seeing nets here because that means that they were trying to catch animals, and I know it's not permitted. Also, it's killing of animals, which I don't like.
All right. So, good number of people out here, but out here cleaning the beach. But there's other people too. Like you can see right over there is a family on the beach. They came down here for the day. Pretty warm day here, right? Pretty normal here for October. I'm going to say here on the waterfront it's not as hot, right? It's probably only about 80 or so.
Yeah.
Once we get back to our house in Katy, it'll be around 90. It'll be a lot hotter. But it's a little bit better here. It's not too bad. You can see too in Quitana Beach. See, look at all the trash cans. They've got them all over the place, don't they, Grace? To try to get people to clean up. But people just don't use them the way they should, do they?
Nah.
Yep.
It really makes me sad that there's like, it's literally like being handed the instructions and then still not knowing what to do.
Yeah. Yep.
There are so many trash cans here, so many, but they still find an excuse to throw their stuff on the ground.
Yep. Yep. So didn't get to see any sea turtles.
Yeah.
We thought we might, but I know that they have a sign up there, right? If you see a sea turtle, you're supposed to report it, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to call a specific number, and then like they would come in and like help the sea turtle move it to its original place so that it can go into the ocean and all that good stuff.
Yep. Yep. All right. So you can see the rest of this beach. They've got a few places here. I see someone's got their cooler there. See got a covered area, but it's a higher table, right, Grace? So you bring your beach chairs, put them there next to that table, and then put your things on the table. And a few benches, to sit on too. So the nice thing about this beach, it is not nearly as crowded as Galveston.
Yeah,
Galveston being a lot, Galveston being a lot better known place for tourism. Of course, they have all those cruises go out of there too, right, Grace? So people will, before or after their cruise, go over to the beach. So a lot more people. And we also found that if you go way down there, on the other side of that pier, you can drive your car on that part of the beach if you want to.
Those people are saying I don't care, but
yeah, well, that I think, that truck right there, that might be a park worker of some sort, because there is a park here too, right? This is Quitana. What do they call it? Quitana County Park, or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, this is a good place to go though if you want to, if you live in the area and want to get to a place that is not so crowded with people. hardly any people. So far we've seen just that one family right there. That's it.
And then
Everybody,
also people for the Adopt a Beach, which
right.
still wasn't many people.
Yeah, so the other people are just here doing the Adopt a Beach, and I'm going to say I saw one big group of people, and that was it. So probably 20 people total. Because again, this is just not that well known of a beach. Kind of remote. Took us over 90 minutes to get here. Yeah, it took a while, even though we're only about 75 miles away. So no interstate to get you here, so you had to go through all these small towns. And yep, just as we thought, there's that truck we were talking about. Yes, they are part of the Parks Department. They're here to pick up all the trash that people like us help to pick up today. All right, Grace, any parting words?
Don't litter the beaches, they're your home too.
That's right. All right. Okay, well, that's it for this year's Texas Adopt a Beach. Hopefully we'll be back the next time this comes up, spring and fall both, right?
Bye.